Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today I want to show you the new Sissy bar bag I bought for my 2019 Iron1200 Sportster. In my last video I was asking for recommendations. I'm soon going to have somebody that wants to be a passenger go for a ride on the back of my bike. So I've ordered passenger foot pegs. I ordered them off of Amazon, the genuine Harley Davidson ones. Not available through Harley, they're out of stock. But I found a really nice pair, I think, on Amazon. So I got those coming. I ordered a backrest for my Sissy bar. And I asked for recommendations because I have to get rid of my swing arm bag to put the passenger pegs on. And a couple of guys said, why don't you either get a luggage rack bag or a Sissy bar bag. So I started poking around, and believe it or not, on Amazon for $49.99, whether or not now I switch back and forth between the bags what I need, I found this Willie and Max, all right, on Amazon, made in Wisconsin, USA, made in the USA, Willie and Max, $49.99. It's a Sissy bar bag. And it's really pretty cool. It's got a strap that sits over the Sissy bar, and they give you ties to tie it to the bar. But I'll probably use zip ties. Let me take it out of the box here, and I'll show it to you. For the price, you can't go wrong. I mean, it's really high quality too. It's really nice. So just a rectangle bag. It's got the the fake clips here. The real clips are underneath. They're plastic. Alright, so we open it up, and it's got a couple of flaps, and then you got the inside of your bag there. It's pretty roomy. Like I said, they basically give you some shoelaces to tie it on, but I'll use zip ties, and if I need to take it off, I'll just clip them off. I could always put new ones on. So let me go over. I'm going to show you. This just hangs on the Sissy bar, so let me hang it on there, and I'll grab the other camera and I'll show it to you. Alright, so at this point, I'm not going to permanently fasten the bag on because I'm waiting for the backrest cushion to come here and the bolts come through, so I don't want to zip tie it and just have to take it off. So I'll probably just throw a couple zip ties to the Sissy bar, hold it in place. That swing arm bag down there, that's going to be coming off so I can put the passenger pegs on. But I'll tell you, for the $49, it's a really nice bag for what I need it for. So, pretty excited about that. And probably next week's video is going to be installing the passenger pegs as long as they get here. That and the backrest is supposed to come, so hopefully I could put those two things on. Do that in my next video. Alright, so I just want to say thank you to everybody. I'm going to keep this one short. Thank you to everybody for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, commenting. Guys, if you watch my videos, leave comments. Tell me what you think. Suggestions, anything. I love the comments. Keep them coming. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I am closing in on 2,000 subscribers. That is very exciting. Can't thank everybody enough. So until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.